Hey, Gary here with Papalocal. I wanted to give just a brief. Papalocal has a lot of things going on. There's a lot of things, solutions in the software, but one misconception that we definitely want to hit home with it and replace or fix is that we are not trying to replace the professional local networking groups that exist and have existed for decades. Instead, what our software is doing is enhancing them, helping the business owners that are in there refer more often, get referred more often, and automate it through software solutions, and connect them with multiple and more businesses. A lot of those business networking groups can get isolated where you see the same people over and over again. And the people in those groups can kind of struggle with outreach and getting more people in the group. And oftentimes it's been reported that they will become very cliquish or very cultish or very just closed off, which isn't the real world. Businesses need to consistently and regularly build relationships and grow their footprint and their influence. So just wanted to FYI update. Papa Local is about enhancing your business in every shape or form, including enhancing the networking groups that you may or may not be a part of, or those relationships that already exist that you have privately with different business owners. Gary here from Papa Local. Thanks for watching.